Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, let me ask you a question. Who is the LS Engine King? We are. Here at Performance Unlimited, LS Engine Kings, we build some badass turnkey engines, all custom built to the customer's request. I have gentlemen fly in and drive in from all over the country just to see us and build and have us design and build one of their engines. We're proud of each and every one of our builds. If we happen to have a problem, we always take care of our customers also. Remember that. The customer service doesn't stop when you leave the house. Okay? Remember that. This one happens to be one of our LS3s going to a 68 Camaro. Just got done making 570 foot-pounds of torque, 612 horsepower. Again, we enjoy each and every one of these builds. I think we've been blessed and we enjoy what we do, and that's part of it. If you don't enjoy what you do in life, you better go find another job. Hey, peace.